for two, but pretty smooth. We'll try to get you there a little early if we can. This is your Captain Daniel. David and I are super excited to have you on board. Sit back, relax, enjoy.
Charlotte, my name is Leticia, flight leader on today's flight. I'm assisted by two wonderful land-based flight attendants. It is our pleasure to take care of you. Before we depart, please direct your attention to the flight attendants in the aisle for a brief presentation of the safety features of this aircraft.
At any time the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, keep your seatbelt fastened in case you experience unexpected rough air. Federal regulations require all customers to comply with cruise instructions, posted placards, and light information signs. Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes, or any smokeless products, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. This aircraft has two forward doors, one on each side, 4 window exits over the wings, and an additional exit at the back. The forward doors are equipped with detachable slides that can be used for flotation. All exits are clearly marked with exit signs and instructions for operation. In an emergency, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please locate the exits nearest you and keep in mind they may be behind you. In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind. Carrying baggage will slow the evacuation. It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels inside the lavatories and above your seat will open, revealing oxygen mask. If this happens, reach up and pull a mask towards you until the tube is fully extended. If you're wearing a mask or face covering, remove it before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate.